Good morning everyone. My name is Ishan. I am from 3rd A. My school's name is Sreerama Vidyanikethan Public School. Today I am going to speak a few words about the impact of social media in new generation. Social media have become an integral part of modern man's life. Internet, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram and TV channels are examples of social media. They are on their way to become our masters. Many of the modern people are obsessed by their use. Social media also have both positive and negative impact. Positive impact is seen during the recent floods in Kerala. People stood together as one society with the help of social media. Students, if they utilize internet wisely, it will help them learn better. If used sensibly, social media can perform miracles. See how Ranu Manda's life has changed with the help of social media. The whole world comes to our fingertips through internet. Major development, exploration, scientific advancement, etc. in the world are brought to us through social media. Negative impact includes cyber crimes. However, it depends upon how you use them. Social media should be used for the development of the society. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.